Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial we will know about line command in Catia. Here is the icon of line command. Select this icon and drag the toolbar of line command. We also use profile. Profile is using for continuous line. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. In profile, line goes continuously line. By double clicking you can exit the command of profile command. This is also type of line command. Again select profile, first point. Whenever our line becomes blue, it indicates our line is going straight. In this direction is vertical. It is also V, indicates vertical. Similarly in this direction, the line color is changing in blue color, which indicates our line is going straight, horizontal, and H represent the line is horizontal. By double clicking here, you can exit the command. In line command, first is simple line, first point and second point. First point, second point. The next is infinite line. This line having infinite length, it may be vertical. From here you can change the first point and second point. This is infinite line, first point, second point, first point. From here you can customize the angle. I type here 45 degree, press enter. This is 45 degree infinite line. Again select infinite line. From here you can customize it horizontal or vertical or at any angle, and type the value of angle here. Suppose I type here 30 degree. First point, I'll create line 30 degree. Next is bisecting line. Here I select two lines, this line and this line. First of all I select bisecting line, first line and second line. A line will generate which indicates the bisecting point of these two lines. Similarly here are two lines which are bisecting at this point. I select bisecting line, select first point, first line and second line. Here is the bisecting point. This is bisecting line. Next is bitangent line. We create two circles, first circle, second circle. Now select bitangent line, select first tangent and second tangent. This is bitangent line, two tangent lines. Again select bitangent line, first circle, second circle. By selecting bitangent line, which is tangent at both these circles. The next is line normal to curve. Just select any point of the curve and the line will generate which is normal to curve. Similarly here, line normal to curve. This was the line tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.